Students, at the beginning of this story, these travelers, that means who are the travelers? Dorothy and her dog Toto, Tin Woodman, Scarecrow, and Lion. They covered an hour journey through walking. They have hardly been walking here, and this was to be an eventful day for the travelers. And when they were traveling, they came into a great ditch. Here, ditch means what? A deep opening or gap in the ground. It was a very wide ditch. When they crept up to the ditch, creep past tense kept creeping. Okay, and looked into it, they could see it was also very deep, and there were many big jagged rock. Where jagged means what? With rough, sharp points poking out at the bottom. The sides were so steep that none of them could climb down, and for a moment it seemed that their journey must end. That means on seeing the ditch, they thought that an idea means the flash came to in their mind that they were unable to continue their journey. See, what shall we do? Asked Dorothy despairingly. Here, despairingly means what? To give up hope. Means they gave up their hope of continuing the journey. I haven't the faintest idea, said the Tin Woodman. Means, I don't have any idea, the Tin Woodman replied. And the Lion also shook. Shake past tense what? Shook. Past form of shake, shook. His shaggy man and looked thoughtful. That means shaggy. Shaggy means what? Rough, long and thick hair. Round the neck of the lion. But the Scarecrow said, we cannot fly. That is certain. Neither can we climb down into this great ditch. Means on seeing that rich Scarecrow, who said that it is not possible to cross that ditch. Therefore, if we cannot jump over it, we must stop where we are. Then let us see who replies. I think I could jump over it, said the cowardly lion. Cowardly means what? He is not brave. After measuring the distance carefully in his mind, he estimated how much total distance to cross the ditch. He said that I could jump over it. Then we are all right, answered the Scarecrow. For you can carry us all over you on your back, one at a time. Means who gave the idea? Who was intelligent? Scarecrow was intelligent. Well, I'll try it, said the lion. Who will go first? I will, declared the Scarecrow. For if you found that you could not jump over the gulf. Gulf means very deep opening or gap in the ground. Same meaning is there. Dorothy would be killed or Tin Woodman badly dented on the rocks below. But if I am on your back, it will not matter so much, for the fall would not hurt me at all. That means Tin Woodman, Scarecrow told that I will cross the ditch with lion. That means when dangerous situation comes, we should think of how can we find a solution to that problem. Here Scarecrow is intelligent and he suggested that gulf can be crossed or ditch can be crossed on sitting on the lion's back, one at a time.